Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you some essential English phrases that you will need when traveling.
These phrases will help you get around, communicate with locals, and make your trip more enjoyable. Let's start learning now.
Greetings and introductions.
Hello. This is the most common way to say hello in English. You can use it for any time of day, and it's appropriate for both formal and informal situations. Hi. This is a more informal way to say hello. You can use it with friends, family, or people you know well. Good morning. This is a greeting used in the morning hours, typically before noon. Good afternoon. This is a greeting used in the afternoon, typically between noon and 5 p.m. Good evening. This is a greeting used in the evening, typically after 5 p.m. Good night. This is a greeting used before going to bed. My name is John. This is used to introduce yourself. Nice to meet you. This is a polite way to say hello to someone you've just met. Pleased to meet you. This is a more formal way to say nice to meet you.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to destination? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station? Can you please give me directions to location? Can you please give me directions to the nearest grocery store? Which way is Landmark? Which way is the museum? I'm a bit lost. Could you point me in the right direction for place? I'm a bit lost. Could you point me in the right direction for the post office?
Transportation.
Taxi. I'll call a taxi to take us to the restaurant. Bus. The bus to the city center arrives every 15 minutes. Train. We missed the train to London by just a few seconds. Subway. Let's meet at the subway station at noon. Airport. They're waiting for us at the airport arrival gate. Train station. The train station is located downtown near the park. Bus stop. The bus stop is right across the street from the mall. Ticket. How much is the ticket?
Accommodation.
Hotel. We stayed at the hotel during our vacation. Hostel. We found a cheap hostel for our backpacking trip. Bed and breakfast. The hotel offers comfortable accommodations with breakfast included in the room rate. Do you have any rooms available? How much is a room for one night? I'd like to check in. I'd like to check out.
Food and drinks.
Restaurant. We tried a new restaurant while on vacation. Cafe. We discovered a cozy cafe during our vacation. Bar. We visited a lively bar on our journey. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. What can I get to eat? What can I drink? I'd like a hamburger, please. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Shopping.
Shop, store, market. How much is this? Can I have a discount? I would like to buy this, please. These are just a few of the many essential English phrases that you'll need when traveling. With a little practice, you'll be able to communicate with confidence and make your trip more enjoyable. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English learning tips and tricks.